Here is the concluded part of how to cut and sew two-sided pleated flare gown, or how to cut and sew double-sided pleated flare gown. But listen to this before I proceed. If you come across any challenge that is showing you all the steps without hiding anything from you, I will advise you subscribe to the channel and be part of the channel. So let's proceed in today's tutorial. Here are the fabric we are going to plait to make our side flare, and we got it by multiplying this place by 6. I will advise you watch the cutting tutorial in order to have full understanding of this dress. So this is the center and I'm launching. I'm going to set it aside now to cut out our facing for both front and back of this gown. To cut out back facing, I lay back piece on a piece of fabric, then I'm tracing it out. After tracing it out, then I'm going to shape the facing as well. Here is our back facing. I cut it this way because it's going to be a sleeveless gown. The front facing is going to be in 2 pieces. Here is the center. So I placed it on a piece of fabric, then I'm going to cut it out. This is how it will look like, you can see. So we are going to cut the remaining part of the front facing. But you have to measure where you are going to connect both together. So already I'm measuring it. So let's proceed. As you can see on your screen, in order not to waste your time, I'm done cutting all the facings. So the next thing for us now is to join our facing together. We are going to join this to this and the other one to the other side. And I will also join my front piece. I'm going to join the front side and the left side. After joining them, I will come and show you again what we have. After joining both sides together now, as you can see, so this is what we have. I will now proceed to weaving of the inner sides. I'm going to weave this joining. I'm going to weave the joining area for the facing as well. And for the pleated fabric, I'm going to pleat it, and also I'm going to weave the edges as well. Then for the back, I'm going to apply the dart. Then I will come back and show you what next. So after weaving the inner side and after applying our dart, you can see this is the back dart. We are going to proceed to the joining of the fabric. That is, we are going to join the shoulder first, the shoulder of the body first, then we are going to join the shoulder of the facing as well. We are going to join them separately. So we are going to place it just the same as we place the body shoulder. So this way, and this is the second one. We are going to join them. Then we are going to join both together. I'm done joining both facing and the body together. So as you can see, here is our neckline. It has been joined, and the armhole as well. Here is the armhole. I've joined it. Then we are going to proceed by pulling the back out from this little hole. That is the easiest way to pull it out. And once we are done pulling it out, we are going to weave all the edges. Let me just pull it out for you to see. And please, I'm using this medium to plead or to beg that if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel before you leave. That means a lot to me. Pulling out the second side as well. After pulling both sides out, make sure you give it a good press. So we are done pulling both sides out. The next thing is to give it a good press. Once I'm done giving it a good press, I'm going to close the sides. Our joining allowance is 1.5, so I'm going to join it by 1.5 for us to have this arc for the pleated flare. I will also go ahead and pleat this flare and fix it here. After attaching the flare, I will also join our back zip. Then I will come and show you something. Just make sure you stay tuned. I'm going to show you two dresses which I want you to compare. So this is what I have after joining our flare. Compare it with this. You can see they are not the same. After attaching a zip, if I show you this my final result, I'm sure you will believe. But here is the secret. The secret is I added hard net to give more support or to get this volume. But if I don't tell you, you won't know. You will just be trying it and you won't get the same result as I do. To cut out your hard net, let's go back to the cutting process. Remember, while cutting the flare arc or flare yoke, we multiply this place by 6. That's what gives us the flare fabric. And for the net, we have it in 2 pieces. There is longer one, and we have the second one, which is this one, which is shorter one. We divide this one, or we multiply this one by 3. That's how we get this smaller one. And for the longer part, we multiply it by 6. So that's how I get it. This longer net, we are going to pleat it over the smaller part. After done pleating it, we are going to pleat the upper part of this smaller net as well. Aside adding this hard net for support, we are going to add this crinoline as well. So let me show you where to add this. The main function of this crinoline is to support the center down of this gown. This leaves to space for the center of the fabric. So we are going to measure what we have on the center line. Then we are going to cut it according to the size. We have 3.5 inches. So that's what we are going to cut. And the width of this crinoline is 3 inches. So I'm going to make it into 2 layers. One will be for the down, and we're going to place the other one here, so making 6 inches wide. So that's where we are going to add it to the front, and we are going to add it to this front side, and also we are going to add it to the back side of the gown. This for the front, and we are going to cut another 2 for the back. Let's proceed to the joining. I'm going to place this longer part to these smaller sides. Here is the final look of the net. The first thing is place this longer part over the smaller side, and also place the upper part of the smaller part. This is how we started. This is how you are going to place the longer part onto the smaller part. Then you are going to place the upper part of the smaller size as well to the length of the arc. So let's move on. And as for our crinoline, I'm done securing the edges, the rough edges. That's the second thing. Now, how we are going to fix it on our fabric. We are going to locate the center. Already the joining area is the center of the gown. We are going to locate the center of this hard net as well. Just align the edge and locate the center. And here is how you are going to join the hard net onto the fabric or onto the dress. You are going to lay the hard net onto the body, not onto the flare side. Here is a pleated fabric, but you are going to put a fabric in between the flare and the net. So you join from the center to the side and to the other side. Then by the time we turn it, it will help us give volume to the dress. So that is the essence of joining it that way, for us to have more volume. Now, as for the crinoline, we are going to align it this way, leaving our folding allowance. Then we are going to join this side and the other side. This second one will be placed over the first one, and we are going to join it on both sides as well. This is to give this side a kind of structure to contain the our pleated flare. Already our net is fixed, so that is all about it. That is just the secret of this extra puffness we have on this dress. So let's quickly fix it and show you the final result. Already you've seen the final result. So please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you do, especially if you find this video helpful, and also like and share. And if you have any comments, please drop it in the comment section. See you in the next video. Thank you.